Hi Virgos, I know this is a little different. This is going to be your second half of April reading, sorry. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter sign Virgos. We're going to look at the second half of the month for you. Sorry. We're going to look at the overall theme, you, what to say yes to, what to say no to, the person or situation you're dealing with, and the most likely outcome. So the say yes and say no is your advice, and then we'll pull romance angels and oracle cards. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment, all that great stuff. All right, Virgos. Let's see what's going on. Universe, divine spirit, spirit guides, angels, archangels, guardian angels, ancestors. Thank you for allowing me to receive the messages on behalf of Virgos. Please allow me to read, discern, and translate these messages clearly for their internal intuition, guidance, and growth, using the power source of the universe to do so. Alright. 2 more shuffles for Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter sign Virgos. Overall theme of the reading, Page of Cups. Could be some love news. You could be learning something about love or emotions, your emotions, someone else's. The pages are, you know, they're new to this. They're learning, but they're willing to learn. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my camera. It's a little off. They're young. They're not really sure what they're doing, but they're willing to learn. And this could involve love or a love offering, a peace offering for some. Could be a peace offering. Oh, look at that. An offer. You could be offering something to someone. For some of you, this could be you or this could be you. Emotionally bored or lonely, feeling stuck in a rut, feeling, because the page is imaginative and dreamy, and you could be like dreaming yourself into a rut. You know what I'm saying? Like thinking of all these wonderful, beautiful things and then thinking, oh, I won't get that. And then you may ignore an opportunity or not see an opportunity or just be flat out ignoring the obvious here. Still water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The 4 of Cups is Moon in Cancer. This is just boredom though. You could have a wall up. You could be guarded, like protecting yourself like a defense mechanism. Or you could just be, like I said, ignoring the obvious. There could be some depression with some of you. Fear of love. You could have some emotional scars, and that's why you're guarded. Or you could be you could be just bored, like you just need new interests, like you're tired of the same old, you're ready for something new. What to say yes to. Moving on from things that no longer serve you. Moving on from conflict, mental anguish. Leaving strife behind. This is Mercury and Aquarius energy. Moving on from trouble. Absolutely say yes to this. Distance yourself from conflict. Could involve physical journeys. Explore new opportunities for growth. Some of you are probably working at a job that no longer serves you and it's time for you to quit or move on. You've been thinking about it for a long time. You hate it. You're bored. You're depressed. Move on. Move on. If it's a relationship, if it's a job, move on. Explore new opportunities, because that's what the page is doing. He's exploring new emotions, trying new things, activates new emotions within us that we didn't know existed, or elevates, emotions within us. Queen of Swords in reverse. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords is someone who makes her mind up. But she can be a little witty or sarcastic. This is what you should say no to. This card represents strength and intelligence. I feel like this is Virgo and Libra energy. I feel like this is maybe a sharp mind, being witty or sarcastic. I feel like a sharp tongue. I feel like a sharp tongue. Because you know how if you deal with a situation, it's like you really don't want to deal with it. You can get snappy. That's what I get from this. Don't be snappy. Don't take your rut out on anybody else. Like, just because you're stuck in this rut, don't be a bitch. Or don't be, because she can be a bitch. If she's in the reverse, she's in, look, I said it in the reverse. But it came up in the upright. But don't be a bitch. Don't be snappy towards people because you're in a rut and you just need to move on. And it's just time for you to move on. You're not going to be happy, but don't take it out on anybody else. Because you're in the you have the power to leave whenever you want. Person or situation you're dealing with. This involves socializing. Excuse me. Celebrating. Maybe this is what you desire. And maybe that's why. Because this is Mercury in Cancer. And this was what? Moon in Cancer, I think. Celebrations, parties, social events. Indulging a little bit. Creativity and projects. This is either the person or situation you're dealing with. It could be one of your friends. Or you could be celebrating a lot. You could be celebrating with someone. Or celebrating something with someone. Something specific like an anniversary. Or yeah, something like that. That's a person or situation you're dealing with. Or you could be celebrating something. Like I know in the last reading, there was something about like moving on to something new, like a new chapter in life. So I feel like maybe that's why. Some of you probably don't know which way you want to go in life yet. You could be celebrating the success that you've recently acquired, that you've recently had. This also involves weddings, babies, marriages, weddings, same shit. The likely outcome is acquiring stability, financial stability, loyalty, foundation. This is healthy gains, modest gains, balance, like a healthy intake and output of money and stability and foundation, and acquiring foundation, maintaining foundation. Sun and Capricorn energy. Let's see. I feel like I'm missing something about this card. Oh, responsible savings and investments with your tangible things, but also with things like time and money. I mean, well, obviously money, but also time and energy. That's what I meant to say. Time and energy. Yeah, I feel like you're going to make... You went from the two fours here. You went from the Four of Cups to the Four of Pentacles. So, you're going to find something worth your time, energy, money. I feel like you're going to find some type of creative project to help you find what it is you need to find on your journey. Get out of this rut. All right, let's get some romance angels. 2 shuffles for Virgos. What are the messages for Virgos? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter sign Virgos. April 15th through the 30th. Release your ex. The time has come to... Oh, love yourself first. Any more messages for Virgos? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. Trust. This situation is calling for you to have trust at the bottom of the deck. Release your ex. The time has come for you to clear your energy. Out with the old, in with the new. You got to move on. You got to move on. All right. 3 shuffles for Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. messages for Virgos. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter sign Virgos. For some of you, this represents somebody else in your life that you need to say no to. They could be really, they could be real slick with their tongue. They could be really convincing and conniving and manipulative. Address your addictions. Choose friends wisely. That could be whoever this is. It could be one of your friends. One of your friends that you probably need to move on from. Your friends will hold you back energetically. Raise your vibration. Raise your vibration. It may call for you to be away from this person. Embrace your power. Okay, Virgo. Did something like that come up in your last reading? I don't remember. I need to go back and look. But I know somebody had this card, and it was like, oh, somebody in your circle. It may have been Cancer. I don't remember. I'm not even going to try to make it up. But that's your reading, Virgo. I hope it gives you some clarity. I hope, you know, yeah, I hope that gives you clarity. And I hope it resonates. Please like, subscribe, share, all that great stuff. If you ever want a personal reading, that information is in the description box. Please connect with me on Instagram. Instantgo, the information is also down there. If you want bracelets, I made these last night with the ox on there. And they're so cute. So yeah, all that's in the description box. Connect with me, you guys. And thanks for watching. Until next time, peace, love, and light. Bye.